Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a My Face Story unboxing. So funny story, I actually recently discovered this brand and it's pretty much a bunch of skincare like sheet masks and different masks that they have as a subscription box. And I was actually looking into them and I started to follow them on Instagram. And I ended up watching one of their like lives and they were doing a giveaway. I don't remember exactly how I entered it, but I entered the giveaway and they contacted me and they're like, you won the giveaway. And I was like, really? So I was excited because I did want to purchase like an actual My Face Story little like box thing. So I'm actually gonna pull up their Instagram right now to tell you guys like the full detail on it. And no, this is not sponsored, like it just happened to be a coincidence that I won their giveaway and I was gonna buy a box anyways. So let me just go ahead and pull this up. Oh yeah, I'm also at my boyfriend's house and I'm using like natural lighting. So yeah, that's why I'm not in my normal location because I really didn't feel like wearing makeup today. I just have my eyebrows on and if I go out later then I'm gonna put makeup on. So I was like, you know what, this is a skincare video anyways, so I don't need to be wearing makeup. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull up their little page. I'll also have it listed in the description bar down below for you guys. Okay, so they have two plans. They have a Forever Fresh kit. So it has 4 facial masks and that'll be $5.95 and then like $2 shipping. So $7 for 4 face masks. And then they have like, you can buy it for 1 month, 6 months, or 12 months, which is good. And then these are K-Beauty's face masks, so they're Korean face masks, so that's pretty interesting. And then they have the 7 Luxe box, so that has 7 facial masks, and pretty much you can do that box for $15.95 and that's for 1 month, or you can do 6 months, 12 months. So everything about this company will be in my description box down below, and I'm just gonna go ahead and open my package. My package got kind of destroyed, but it's whatever because it's just face mask. But their packaging is so cute, you guys. It has like a girl wearing a facial mask, oil, nails, like hashtags. It's just super cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it. Oh, the inside is so cute. It says, just keep glowing, and it's pink. And they wrote me a card. It says, to Ashley Mathlan. So cute. Can you see? So cute. And it says, hashtag happy masking. I don't want to ruin the sticker. It says, you're the best. Super cute, holographic. Oh, that's so cute. Let's see what it says. Hi Ashley, congrats on winning our Insta Live giveaway. Hope you love our April box. Happy masking XOXO face story. So thank you guys. So I guess I got the April box, which is the current box that they have right now. And it's packaged so nicely. So this is what the inside looks like. Purple, blue, and then it has like a little card. And it said, there is nothing more musical than a sunset. And it pretty much, this is a card. It's April and the time has come for a night of fun with sunsets, music, and friends. We have curated a new set of sheet masks that will keep your skin ready to take on the day's activities. Make sure to use these sheet masks whenever you go, whether it's on a day trip, a spring getaway, or a mini vacay. And it just pretty much tells you how to like cleanse your face, how long you should wear it for, and like everything about the mask. So that's really good in case you're a new user to sheet mask. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this. Even the back of the box is cute. It says hashtag happy masking on the inside. Purple is my favorite color. This is a lot of mask. I am so excited. I actually used the sheet mask yesterday. Oh, that's so cool. So they pretty much have a card of every mask that I have, so I'll actually read these to you guys when I get to it. So the first mask is this one. It's pink. I'm gonna just read the card. Meta Skin Intense Brightening Mask Pack. Say hello to brighter skin. Your skin will look glowing, radiant, and party ready as you go out for a breezy spring night. And this one retails for $3.50. So pretty much like one box is like $7 and one box is already $3.50. Like you're getting 2 masks pretty much, and you're only paying $7 when you can have 7. But anyways, the next mask is this one. Super cute, super cute. This one is a rose mask. It says, we can never get sick of the scent of roses. Use this rose mask pack to get your rose fix while also treating yourself to its brightening, moisturizing, and anti-aging benefits. This one retails for $4.50. The next mask is this one. I like the packaging of all of these stuff. You're a crap! What are you doing? Are you listening to me? Yes, you are.
I just got up.
Are you coming down?
My clothes wash real quick.
Okay. Okay, this is the next mask, and it's called Royal Skin Anti-Wrinkle Biocellulose, I can't say that word, mask. It says, coming to you with another biocellulose mask developed with coconut water fermentation to make sure you have a comfortable sheet mask experience. This mask will get you prepped to apply your makeup, perfect for the spring getaway. And this one retails for $5, and I love the smell of coconuts. So I'm excited for this, and to prevent wrinkles from a young age, because your girl turns 20 in 2 weeks. The next mask that I see is this one, and collagen. It says collagen on it, and collagen is so good for the skin, you guys. So that one is a Dewy Tree Collagen Melting Chow Mask. It says, who doesn't love a good collagen mask? This Dewy Tree collagen mask works to keep your skin soft, plump, and moisturized. This one retails for $4, and honestly, I'm happy this is like a moisturizing kit because your girl has dry skin right now. So the next mask that I see is this one. It looks cool. Deep Cleansing Bubble Mask. That's what this one looks like. And it says, deep cleansing bubble mask. Need a deep cleanse after a magical night under the stars? We have the perfect mask that will keep your skin feeling fresh and squeaky clean. And then it says, note, did your face tingle or sting a little bit while wearing this mask? No worries, this is completely normal. Actually, this means the bubble mask is doing its job and getting rid of cleaning out your pores. That's exciting but scary at the same time. So the next mask is this one. The packaging on these masks are like so intriguing. So this is what this one looks like. And where's that one? I don't know how to say the first word, so I'll have it on the screen. But it's a caviar repairing mask. Getting dressed up and ready to go out for a night of fun, music, and dancing. Use this sheet mask that contains bougie ingredients such as, I don't know how to say it, and caviar to make your night extra special. So, ooh, this one is a bougie face mask, and this one retails for $4.50. And I don't think I said the one of the last one, but the other one was $4 too. And then the last mask is this one, and I actually love this packaging. This is so cute, pink and blue. This one is, I'm sorry for my skin, black mud mask tightening. So it says, don't be worried for your skin. The Black Mud Mask Tightening Mask is here to save the day. This mask will help cleanse your pores and provide irritated skin with relief. And this one retails for $4.50. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 masks. So cute, so cute. I'm so excited to try all of these. Like, if I had 7 faces, I probably would use all of them one day, because these are all going to benefit my skin condition right now because it's dry. And like I said, this one is $15.45 for the 7 mask, and then the other mask is $5.45. But I also have a link that is like an affiliate link. So if you sign up and you purchase like either or of the box, you'll actually get 2 extra masks. So if you get the one that has the 4 masks, you'll actually get 6 masks. And then if you get the one that has 7, you'll get 9 masks. And yeah, I'm actually gonna calculate how much the total value of the box that has 7 masks would be, and if it's like worth it, because obviously in my opinion it's worth it. So the total value of all these masks are $30 and you only pay $15. That's literally like half off. So yeah, I'll have my link in the description down below, you guys. Well, that pretty much sums up my review / unboxing on the FaceTory facial mask. Definitely, if you're a skincare person, love face masks, sheet masks, and all of that stuff, definitely check them out, because now I want to subscribe and get even more because I'm obsessed already. But yeah, you guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Be sure to give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button down below, and I'll speak to you guys in my next video. Bye!